Today we're going to look at the letter B. B. To make this quick, short B sound, we put our lips together and then we force out a quick puff of air through the mouth. B. B. Sometimes I feel my throat, so then I can feel the air coming out. B. Your turn. B. B. Can you think of any words which begin with B? What about B? Bat. B. Bath. B. Ball. Can you think of anything else? Yes, what could the word be? B, or, all. B, all, ball. It's a ball. Can you make a sentence? I like to play with the ball at the beach. Ball. Okay, let's do another one. B, air. 2 sounds, but there's actually 4 letters. B, air. B, air. B, air. What could it be? B, air. Bear. Well done. Bear. My bear is so cuddly and I like to sleep with it. Ant. And a picture of a boat. Which one starts with the B sound? B, B, bant. B, B, boat. Boat. The boat is yellow, blue and red. B, B, boat. Bed and a pig. Bed, pig. Which one begins with the B sound? Bed, bed, pig, pig. Bed, pig. It has to be the bed, bed. This bed is green and I like to sleep in it. Bus. What sounds can you hear in bus? Bus, bus. Ah, so the first sound is B. B. Bus, bus. So what's in the middle? Bus. So now we have B, B, B. What's left at the end? Bus, bus. The letter S. It can make the S sound. Bus. The bus is red and yellow. Bus. Now we have a B. B. Say it slowly with me. B. What can you hear? B, B. So it has the B start. What can you hear next? B, E. Remember we said when you put 2 letters together, 2 E's, they can make the long vowel E sound. So we have B, E, B. And now we've got 3 letters left. Tab, tab. Is that a bat? Tab? No, so we have to switch the order round of the letters. Bat, bat, bat. So the first sound I can hear is B. B. But, but. Bat, bat. In the middle, there is an A. Now we have ba. Bat, bat. Perfect, bat. Can you make any sentences with these words? Bus, bee, bat. I know. I'll make a sentence and can you tell me Which word am I talking about? I went into a cave and I saw a, what could you see inside a cave? A bus? Maybe, but it's not likely. A bee? Probably you could see a bee inside, but there's not many flowers in a cave, so maybe not. Bat. Ah, bats do live in caves, so it's the bat. Think of another sentence and leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other videos that you want me to make, then leave a comment. Have a great day, everyone.